Hello and welcome to the Blink Portal demonstration. The first thing we will do is log into Blink Portal. The first thing you will come to is your Blink Portal dashboard. Your dashboard will contain a glimpse of everything that is happening in your system. You will see on the left are alerts that itemized reminders currently due in your portal. Here you can edit them, complete these tasks, and add notes to the contact information by the Notes tab. To the right, you will see Recently Viewed Contacts. Here you can click on the contact to return to their editing screen. Under Recently Viewed Contacts, there is a notification center for your contact's birthday and anniversary. You can actually send a birthday or anniversary note directly to your contact from this screen if it's their birthday or anniversary today. Whatever message or note you decide to send will appear as though it is coming directly from you, including your logo and any email signature you've created. We will cover how to set up email signatures later in this demonstration. Next, we will click on the Contacts tab. This is where you will see all of the contacts that have been entered. Need to search for a particular contact? Each column has a sort capability and also has filterable block where you can enter a search word in each column. Let's say you remember someone's first name but not their last. You can enter the name in the first name here, click on the filter button, and select Contains, and you'll see the results. This search works for any column that contains the search block. When you're entering your contacts, entering in specific information about the contacts is what makes this process most effective. The Tags column gives you the ability to search all types of information about all contacts based on how you have tagged them. For example, if you want to run a list of all of the dog owners you have in contacts, type this in the Tag search box and click Contains in the filter, and all the dog owners you have tagged this way will populate. You can run an Excel spreadsheet of this information by clicking Export to Excel at the top of the page. This will give you a complete list of all of these specific contacts and all of the contact information in the system about them. This is why it is very important to include tags and to use a specific listing of tags that everyone in your company is using. Another example of using the search box on the Contacts tab is if you enter the first 3 letters of a month under the birthday column. You can see which contacts have birthdays in that particular month. This could allow you to export a list each month to send personalized birthday cards. Now we will go into an individual contact to show you some features in the editing area. Click on the pencil on the right and you will enter the editing of the contact. You will see that you can add or change information in each block by clicking the pencil in the top right corner of each block. The tags we spoke of earlier are editable in that first block on the left at the top. They are the section that is yellow highlighted. Tags are separated by commas. Your company should compile an approved list of tags for everyone to use for uniformity. Tags are information that you enter about a contact. Being able to note things about your contact is very important, and these tags are editable items that you can use to sort your contacts by. The other blocks that are editable in this section are contact details and personal details. Personal details where you would add birthdays or anniversaries. Notes is a very important feature for your contacts, especially when dealing with reminders. When you enter a note, it is populated and all notes are reported in your email reminders. The notes as you see here are time and date stamped. These notes are editable or can be deleted from here. The Documents section allows you to upload files from your computer to the system. For example, if you have a scanned business card, you would simply click on Browse and search your computer for the file to add. The Events section is a listing of all meetings and events you have scheduled with this contact. Mail Messages allows you to send an email directly to this contact without having to exit this screen. Sending your contacts personal emails is one of the most powerful things you can do with your contacts. Let's say you're in this contact editing notes and remember something you needed to tell them. You can click on Mail Messages and send an email to the contact directly from here, and it looks like it's coming from your email, not from Blink. Campaign tasks are the events that create and send you the email reminders about this particular contact throughout the year. Calendar is a view of upcoming events on your schedule. You can search by the day, week, and month. The Calendar tab also lets you export data, so if you use Outlook or Google, you can create, edit, or delete events right from the calendar entries. The Admin tab is where you assign contact types, meeting types, task types, and where you add users to your system. One thing we will show you quickly is that when you set up an account, you have the ability to transfer contacts and events from one user to another. Let's say you have an employee that leaves, and you hire a new person that takes their place. This will allow you to seamlessly transfer all of the data from the leaving user's account to the new user's account without any interruption. Under the Admin tab, you can also look at the type of plan you're subscribed to under My Plan and see all of your financial transactions under My Transactions. The next tab we will cover is Campaign. The campaigns are just groups of tasks that relate to a particular type of contact. We will help you determine at the beginning what those groups are and what tasks are assigned to them, so no need to get bogged down in the minutiae. There are two tabs here. One is for your campaigns and the other is for templates. Your campaigns will be designed and deployed for you by the Blink Jumpstart Specialist when you sign up, but for viewing you can review them from here. The templates are the masters your campaigns were designed from. The next section is our Help tab. This has detailed instructions about all of the tabs and functions. If you are unable to locate what you are looking for, you have the option of contacting us. You can call our help desk at 248-566-6108 and select option 2, or you can send an email to help@blinkportal.com to create a help ticket. The emails are responded to more quickly because of the ability to help multiple users at one time, so we encourage you to try the email first. Finally, you will see a gray bar under the tabs. These are quick links to adding a task, adding a contact, adding a document, creating a meeting, and setting up your email signatures. In order to set up email signatures, you will need to click on the email templates. Here you can set up signatures or create a template message for birthdays, anniversary, or simply regular emails. You can include your logo by simply clicking the checkbox next to the logo. You have lots of flexibility for creating the message here. Once this is set up, all of your messages of that type that go out will contain that information. I also wanted to show you what the actual reminders look like. A lot of people use a CRM that have reminders that pop up on a calendar, and the user has to go look up the information for the contact to act on the reminder. Blink is completely different. All you have to do is enter your contacts and assign them to a pre-designed campaign, and the system starts sending you reminders to your email. But wait, these reminders include everything about your contact, including any notes you put in the system. This way, all you need to do is act on the reminder once you receive it. No need to look at the contact to act on the reminder. If you needed to send this contact an email, you can click on the email link and send that email. If the task was to make a phone call, the contact's phone number is listed right here and is clickable if you're on a smartphone. Again, all of the information you need is contained right here in this reminder. This is extremely useful in customizing the messaging tasks that you complete for your customers. You don't have to log into Blink to do anything. You were able to get all of the information from the reminder. It doesn't do these tasks for you, but it does give you all the information you need to complete the task successfully. Finally, you want to know about the pricing. Well, our website is blinkdemonstation.com, and on the pricing tab, you will see the pricing is based on the number of users that will need access and the number of the contacts you will be loading. The different pricing tiers are listed here. Each plan includes a setup fee, which covers our conference and setup of your initial 4 to 5 campaigns, our Jumpstart program, where we will load your initial contacts and assign them to the proper campaigns, and 2 hours of training for your users after the launch. Under the add-on section, there is pricing for additional users, additional 3,000 contacts, and additional hourly customization. There are discounts built into the payment schedules as well. You can pay monthly or quarterly. If you pay semi-annually, you will receive a 5% discount and 10% discount for annual billing. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact our sales team at sales@blinkportal.com, or you can reach our sales team by phone at 248-566-6108. Thank you very much for your interest in Blink. We would love to talk to you if you have any questions. But wait, Blink also has an app. The Blink Marketing app is available for download in the iTunes Store and the Google Play Store. The app is simple. It gives the user access to their calendar and all of their contacts. The contacts can be viewed and edited, or a new contact can be added through the app. And with Blink being a web-based application, the information is always fluid and in real time between the web application and the app. So if you're walking into a contact's office and you need to brush up on their personal details, look them up in your app and review your notes. Then, after your meeting, come back to the app and update your notes and any new information. It's just that easy and keeps you simply on top of your contacts.